Now you can see why some products in the supermarket are much more heavily marked up than others. Mother thinks very carefully about the kind of baby food that she's going to buy and feed to her child. It's not an impulse item, but chocolates and sweets are an impulse item. They're less price sensitive because demand is more inelastic, the markup is greater. If we assume that the price that the supermarket pays to the supplier is independent of the amount that they buy, then the average variable cost, the price which the supermarket pays, is the same as the marginal cost. Once we've made that assumption, we can rearrange our formula and work out the elasticity of demand implied in the markup on any particular good. We're now in a position to see how supermarket markups vary so much between products. Firms often say that they don't equate marginal cost equals marginal revenue. They say that they take costs and add on a markup for profit. But this actually comes to the same thing when demand elasticity is known. Think about the nature of the markup. MR equals, as we've seen, P times 1 plus 1 over E. But where firms are profit maximizing, since they set MC equal to MR, MC equals P times 1 plus 1 over E. Rearranging, P equals MC times E over E plus 1. If we use the assumption that average variable cost is the same as marginal cost, then P equals AVC times E over E plus 1. Rearranging that, P equals AVC plus minus 1 over E plus 1 times AVC. Let's see how that is used when it comes to the markup on different goods. We'll consider the markup on chocolates where demand is relatively inelastic. And we'll compare that in a minute with baby foods where demand is much more elastic. If we assume that chocolate demand has a value of, say, -3, then we have P equals AVC plus minus 1 over -3 plus 1 times AVC. P equals AVC plus a half AVC. That is, the markup on chocolate is 50%. 50% is the profit maximizing markup on chocolate given the nature of their elasticity of demand. Now let's look at baby foods by contrast. Let's assume that these products have an elasticity of -6. P equals AVC plus minus 1 over, in this case, -6 plus 1 times AVC. P equals AVC plus a fifth of AVC. That is to say, the markup on baby foods would be only 20%. So supermarkets sell many products where demand elasticity varies, and because demand elasticity varies so much, the markups which will maximize their profits will also vary significantly.